What is up, everybody? Welcome to Motos and Mullets. We're here in the garage today and we're gonna do the first install video on the channel. Since we're doing an install video, I got all my safety gear on. Got my hard hat, safety glasses so I don't go blind. Got my high-vis vest, no shirt combo, so you know I care about safety but I still like to party. And got my Crocs in 4-wheel drive. And really quick, I gotta say, I see a lot of other YouTubers doing these garage install videos and they just don't care enough about safety. They have no safety gear on, just doing everything willy-nilly. So they can learn a thing or two from this video today. Secondly, I got some of the tools ready that we're gonna need today. This is a very complicated install and it should not be attempted unless you're a certified professional mechanic like myself. So, I'm going to get the camera set up and we're going to dive into this thing. Alright guys, so for the first install video on the Motos and Mullets YouTube channel, we're starting out big by replacing the tail light on my wife's Sportster. So, first thing we got to do is go ahead and remove this ugly stock tail light. So you want to grab your rubber mallet here, just give it a few bangs, loosen her up. Then you want to go ahead and grab your saw and just place it on top. You don't need to move it. Just place it on top for a few seconds and that will do the trick. Then we can grab our screwdriver, loosen up these screws, and remove the stock tail light. We'll be replacing it with the Speed King's low profile LED tail light. And it's the same one that I have on my bike, my lowrider. So if you saw my low rider walk around video, it's the same one from that video. And I just think the stock taillights from Harley look terrible. They're big and bulky. So I think a low profile taillight is definitely worth the money. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. There we go. Alright, so once you have your stock tail light removed, you can go ahead and replace it with the new tail light. Here's the new one, low profile LED tail light. Now these are plug and play. So you just go ahead, plug it right in there. Grab your screws from the stock tail light. And I put just a drop of Loctite on there just to be safe. Stick it on here, make sure it's lined up, and go ahead and start putting your screws back in. There we go. Get this one in there a little bit. Grab the yellow. Before you tighten them up, just make sure it's fully seated and lined up. Alright, go ahead, make sure it works. Got your running light and your tag light, brake light, good to go. Alright guys, and that is going to do it. First install video in the books. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the new light. Like I said earlier, I think it's definitely worth the money. really cleans up the back of the bike, and the LEDs just look a lot cooler. So, till the next one, let her eat, send it in deep, wear your safety gear. Peace.